default son gave a question, and out of the 17 voters, maybe some of you clicked KFC chicken strips. Yeah, that's the one. The Kentucky Fried Chicken Strips. Actually my favorite. And it got the highest voting, so we decided to start with the Kentucky Fried Chicken Strips. I want to eat it so bad. Dad.
Yes, tell me.
Come
Okay.
on, Dad. Pick up the ingredients. What are you guys doing? Come on.
This is my part.
Okay.
I will show you how to make a very nice KFC chicken strips. Let's start with the ingredients.
Yeah.
Chicken breast, black pepper powder, garlic powder, salt, paprika powder, corn flour, plain flour, milk, vegetable oil, and finally Italian herbs. For making KFC chicken strips, we have to cut the chicken breast into small strips like this. For the marination, first we had to add black pepper, garlic powder, salt, corn flour, plain flour, paprika powder, mixed herbs, then add milk, then mix it very well. The batter is ready. Now I'm going to remove the half the quantity of the batter for coating the chicken. Now I'm going to add the chicken strips into the batter. Then mix the chicken very well. Then keep it for 2 hours. For dusting the marinated chicken, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, paprika powder, also 1 spoon of corn flour. Then add the plain flour. Then mix it very well.
All children watching this video, don't touch these weird liquids which are boiling in your kitchen because they are not nice, They just blast and then you'll get burned. So rather, keep some distance from such stuff like oil and don't ever come near it. Okay, thank you for listening.
There are 3 steps to make a perfect chicken fry. First step, so we have to, you remember that the marinated chicken, take the chicken, dust with the flour, then again dip into the batter, back to the flour, then keep aside for frying. Take one piece of chicken, dust it with the flour, then dip it with the batter, then again dust with the flour, keep aside for frying. So I already finished the coating. Now I will show you how to fry the chicken. Make sure you have to adjust the temperature of the oil. Make sure while frying the chicken, don't put too much chicken to the oil. So this chicken almost ready now. Perfect color. See the color? Light golden color.
Hey viewers watching this video, what do you prefer? Do you prefer ketchup with KFC chicken strips or do you prefer mayonnaise with KFC chicken strips? But I prefer definitely ketchup. with KFC chicken strips.
No. For me, both. I'll mix all together. Mayonnaise
That's
and
weird.
what weird?
That's a weird combination,
Mayonnaise
guys.
and tomatoes mix is really very tasty.
Dada, you want to show something to our viewers, really?
Like this. 1 spoon of this,
Okay.
another spoon of
Yeah, this may get a bit
This
messy, okay? You know
and
what happened.
this French
Oh
fries.
yes, we have
Nicely
some
mix
French
it.
fries.
Look. All nice.
Guys, this doesn't look...
Taste it.
Okay guys, we can begin with anyways.
And another. Look.
Mmm.
Look the chicken. Nice tender. See, very soft. Properly cooked.
Dad, it's
inside.
tasting time. Come on, just hand over the chicken, seriously.
Guys, please try. Exact.
You know, other than the
Exact what?
taste...
Exact what? Exact?
this-
Exact?
Wait, Dad. Before we get into taste, I really want to tell, this looks seriously like KFC chicken. Dad, how do you find these funny recipes? Just tell me, Dad. Wow, just look
This
at
is
it.
secret.
No, that's not
secret
done yet.
recipe, but I'll.
But that's not done. This tastes even better than KFC chicken strips I've tasted before. Dad, you're really good. I think he should work with KFC, guys. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to make this at your home because this is really tasty and include this as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, share this video to all your friends and family members, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell. Cling cling. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.